Yeah, the title is right. So I've been using my Apple AirPods Maxes for almost 2 months on a daily basis, and there are 3 things that no one is talking about, and I really wanted to have this video because everyone who's planning on getting one of these almost $600 headphones should know. So let's drop the intro. So my friends, welcome to a brand new video here on my YouTube channel, Nimul TV, where I post lots of tech reviews, video editing tutorials, and a whole bunch of good stuff. So if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. I'm not going to ask you to like the video because you haven't watched it yet, but at the end of the video, if you found value in it, make sure to just hit that like button too. So I've already made 2 different videos about the Apple AirPods Max. One is about why it's so expensive. I talk about what the features embedded in this AirPod, and the second video about the real world experience of the noise cancellation system. So you literally put on your headphones and you're going to be the ones listening to how the noise cancellation actually functions. So I'm going to put the links to those videos below in the description, also up here. So there are 3 things that I really wanted to make this video and talk about you, just honest thoughts based on my personal experience of wearing these, because I love these headphones. But these 3 things are sometimes just making me hesitate to take these as my headphones for the day and just take my Beats headphones, which I've been having for almost 2 years now. All right, so the first thing, which is the most important thing that everyone should know, is so the Apple AirPods Max doesn't have any turn on or off buttons. So it has this smart features that goes into deep sleep mode when you put it in the smart case. But not having the on and off button, because even in the deep sleep mode, it's using its battery. It's being drained, but in a slower kind of pace. Let's say I put this into charge, it's 100% charged, and I let it be over there on my desk, like let's say for a couple of days. And when I'm back and let's say I want to use them after a couple of days, it's going to be drained. It's not charged. It's 100% off. And I've literally experienced this multiple times in the couple of weeks that I've been using this as my main headphones. So since we are all used to having our like Bose headphones or Beats headphones, they have on and off buttons, and even if it's fully charged, you just switch it off. You just let it be there, and you come back after a couple of months and you switch it on and it's 100% charged and you can just use it. But in case of the Apple AirPods Max, even if it's 100% fully charged and you just let it be there in the drawer or in your car or in your backpack, you come back after a couple of days, it's fully drained. You cannot use it. So you have to put it into charge, wait for an hour or so until it's usable. So imagine if you're going out on a travel, you have it in your backpack, all of a sudden you want to take it out, listen to some music or do a FaceTime, and it's not charged. And you're like, damn, I paid $550 plus taxes for this headphone and it's not working. Second thing that you should know about the Apple AirPods that somehow concerns me, whenever you plug in your iPhone or your MacBook or your iPad or your Apple Watch, whenever you plug it in, you know that it's being charged. And the problem with the Apple AirPods Max is, if you want to know if it's being charged, you have to have your iPhone and you have to check it among your devices. If you plug this in, there is this orange colored kind of LED which is next to the like the plug that turns on and goes off even if it's being charged. So nothing happens. I don't know if it's fully charged. Is it being charged right now? Multiple times this has happened. I plugged it in, but then I realized, okay, it wasn't being charged. And then I had to take out the cable, try the other side, plug it in until it was charged. So having like a flashing kind of LED or something, let's say the orange LED stays on and once it's fully charged, it goes off. Something like that, or like the Beats Studios that has like the 4 LEDs, it starts going full and empty, and once all 4 LEDs are kind of all on, it means it's 100% charged. There is no indicator that you can just take this and know that your headphones are fully charged unless you have your phone next to it to check if it's fully charged. So this is something that really concerns me and really bothers me, although I'm in love with everything else about the Apple AirPods Max. And the third thing that I really wanted to talk about, you guys, is the bra shape design of this headphone. Okay, we all agree that the concept is really good. It really stays comfy on your head. But whenever I want to just throw this in my backpack, because of the shape that this thing has, I don't know where to put it. If I put it next to my laptop, this part is just rubbing over my laptop's case. It's just, I wish somehow this could be more compact, or I don't know, somehow it was easier to carry this thing without worrying about breaking this or this scratching the stuff in my backpack. So there are third-party cases that you can get that this whole thing goes inside it, but again, it's too big for having your headphone and putting it in your backpack, because we're all using to like AirPods, and AirPods are kind of known for being kind of really easy to carry. So I would really love this to be somehow folding, or I don't know, because based on the hinge mechanism in here, it's kind of not possible to fold them. But I really wish in the next generation of the Apple AirPods Max, somehow they could make this thing get tinier, or somehow change the design in a way that it's kind of more kind of thinner, to just put it in your backpack next to your laptop without worrying about this thing breaking or scratching your stuff. Apart from these, especially the on and off button, or some kind of smart feature that kind of you can control when it's consuming and draining its battery or not, so it gives you an option, it would be really good. The third one was you literally don't know if it's being charged or not. And the third one is the way that you have to carry this thing. It's a huge headphone that you should either just hold it in your hands, because whenever I toss it in my backpack, it's like I'm afraid that I'm gonna break it, and no one wants to break a $600 headphone. So apart from this, everything about this headphone is perfect. Just make sure to watch the two other videos. I'm gonna link them below in the description, also at the end of the screen. The one that talks about why this thing is worth the money, what are the key features, and the second one is the real world testing of the noise cancellation system, which you are going to be able to hear to that on real time. So yeah, let me know below in the comments if you had any questions. I'm probably gonna head back to using my Beats for now until the next generation of AirPods Max comes out. Hopefully it's gonna be better, but this is already a huge step forwards through the next generation of headphones, I would say. So let me know below in the comments if you had any questions. If you found value in this video, make sure to like. It really means a lot to me. It also makes me happy and YouTube algorithm happy, and it's just going to push the video to more people. And if this was your first time watching my videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. Turn on the bell notification for sure, because only 12% of my subscribers have their notifications on. So turn it on, so whenever I post a new video, you're going to be notified. And as always, be safe. Thanks for watching, and mukhlas.